I'm at that age where my instinct is to tell kids, you know, get the cheapest car, learn how to fix it, so that you can understand how cars work. I don't know if that's really the case anymore. I will say that in today's day and age, and the way that cars are coming up in the future, I can almost see this being, a starter car for someone. If you can afford it, great. Especially if you do a lease. Not well, they don't do leases, but if you can afford it, this car is super safe. This car is reliable. This car is easy to clean. So even if you get it all dirty in here, probably a nice wipe down on the plastic areas at least, and you're good to go. I don't think you need all the sound deadening. I don't think you need all the flashy light. The other thing that I think this car is really good for is for our friends who like to DIY. And I mentioned this in a previous video, but if you're the type that you rather spend the difference in price from a standard Model Y, from a premium Model Y, and you don't want to spend the extra $5,000 to get the premium level, and you want to stay within a certain budget because you want to DIY or do your own installations, you can absolutely, I can totally see this car being that type of car for you. So if you want to buy ambient lighting and you want to install those yourself, this is a car to do it. If you are the type that likes to 3D print things and you want to try new things, new solutions to problems people don't even know they have with this car, this is a car to do it, because you can absolutely do as much installation as you possibly can imagine in a car like this. I'm sure some people are going to try to open this up. For what reason? I don't know. I'm sure there are going to be people that are going to do the ambient lighting installation and God knows what else. Decals on the outside where those empty spots are now, where on the premium you have the ambient lighting, all that kind of stuff. I can imagine people getting stuff to fill in those blank spots, which, again, when I think about it, it's almost like, the Tokyo Drift, Fast and the Furious series, where everybody has a very unique looking car. Or if you're coming from where I came from, which I used to own a Jeep Wrangler, then Jeep Gladiator, we always had very unique looking Jeeps because we like to customize our Jeeps to make them our own. With this standard Model Y, I can totally see people customizing this car even more than they already do for a lesser price, and customize them in a way that is unique. It speaks to the person, and it's something that when you see this Model Y, that, oh, that's so-and-so's car. That's where I see this car going. Okay.